There is some uplifting news out of cyclone-ravaged Esk Valley in Hawke's Bay tonight. It appears the community's 102-year-old historic church can be saved despite being inundated by silt. Thomas Mead went along with parishioners for a very different kind of Sunday service.
Sunday would normally be a busy time at Eskdale War Memorial Church, but this morning its halls were quiet and the place of hymns a strange echo.
It took an hour and a half to dig out the front door, and we came into this church not knowing what we'd find.
This is what parishioners faced earlier this week.
Now he's trying to open the door.
The silt covering the floor. Floodwaters had upturned pews used across the generations.
I'm actually walking on the carpet, which is that beautiful red carpet.
The community coming to their aid.
Oh my God, I don't know.
With 40 volunteers mucking in.
Now we've got some more guys in here helping to shift.
By this morning, the proud sanctuary had been reduced to a shell.
I don't know. Yeah, pretty. Yeah.
It's hard to take in for those who have spent a lifetime here. Linda Patterson was married at this altar.
This is my sister's wedding, so we've had 6 family weddings here.
Outside, ruined Bibles and hymn books have been dumped, along with the organ her mother played.
It's completely clogged with mud. It had silt right through all the feet.
While church records of christenings and weddings are now sealed shut.
Hopefully we can hold on to some of the history. Maybe some of the families can come and give us some of the history as well, and we can put it all together again.
Today able to salvage some treasures lifted from the silt. Thankfully, the building itself is sound.
It's stood here for 102 years. And it's withstood the 1931 earthquake, it's had a fire, it withstood the 1938 flood.
Its people now looking forward to yet another restoration.
I just think of the day that we have our first church service here and the joy that that will bring. I think it's just going to be the most amazing day, and I really look forward to that.
Promising that one day the sound of worship will ring out across this valley again.